Are you tired of fad diets that just get the weight off but have no long-term success? Welcome to 25 Again, where we do things differently. We do it right. When it comes to weight loss, there's no magic pill. 25 Again understands it takes comprehensive care for you to be successful. That's why our services are all inclusive with your membership: concierge care, hormone optimization, and supervised weight loss. With success stories like 30 pounds lost in only 30 days. We can help you. Don't just take it from me.
I came to 25 Again to lose weight. And not only did I lose the weight, but I gained the confidence and the energy that I didn't realize I was lacking. 25 Again changed my life. I lost 45 pounds in 12 weeks.
Take advantage of our special offer. Call now and for only $99, get your customized plan for success. Plus, the first 10 callers receive free fat burning treatments for a year. Call the number on your screen, or you can always visit us at 25again.com.